Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a demo of my garage door switch that I'm going to operate via my web app through IoT. So in here you can see my circuit. I attach a circuit here, a transistor switch, to control the remote key of the motor. This remote key is just a duplicate. It costs me around $6 so that I don't need to reinvent the wheel and hack the circuits of my motor. So I'm gonna pause this video, go to the garage. Hello, I'm back. So we're now at the garage. So this is the web app that I created. So for added security, I added a password, which is also encrypted in my server side. So I already pre-filled it for this demo, and now I'm gonna press the send the command. So it's sending the command to micro. So now it has the modal, it's opening the door. So even if I click anywhere, the modal won't be dismissed until it's finished. Alright, so that's it. It's command complete. So now I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'm gonna toggle the command to close it. Alright, so now I'm gonna put some gibberish password. Blah blah blah. Let's see that the password is working. So I'm gonna send that command. So you see it says invalid password. Yeah. So that is for added security. Alright, that's it for this demo. Hope you liked it.